हेलो एंड वेलकम बैक फ्रेंड्स। आज का वीडियो थोड़ा डिफरेंट है। इसमें हम रीडिंग करेंगे, स्लो रीडिंग। और यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो जो भी डिफिकल्ट वोकैबलरी है उसके मीनिंग लिखे हुए हैं। तो जब रीड करेंगे आपको इजीली समझ में आ जाएंगे, साथ में प्रोनाउंसिएशन भी लिखी हुई है। और जब पूरा पढ़ लेंगे इसके बाद पूरा आर्टिकल आप विदाउट हिंदी मीनिंग ये पूरा का पूरा पढ़ सकते हो। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। और अगर आपको ये वाला आर्टिकल पूरा एक्सप्लेनेशन के साथ चाहिए तो एक और वीडियो पोस्ट किया गया है जिसमें कि स्टेप बाय स्टेप पूरे एक्सप्लेन किए गए हैं मीनिंग, आप वो भी देख सकते हो। स्मॉल स्टेप्स मेक अ बिग डिफरेंस। स्मॉल स्टेप्स मेक अ बिग डिफरेंस. Many of us believe that small means insignificant. Insignificant. We think that small actions and choices do not have much impact on our lives. We feel that only big things, big actions and big decisions really matter. But if we look at the lives of all great people, we will see that they built their character through small decisions, small choices, and small actions that they did every day. They changed their lives step by step or day by day. They took care of their good habits and slowly reduced their bad habits, one step at a time. It was these small daily actions that made a big difference in the long run. In the long run. Indeed, in personal growth and character building, there is no such thing as overnight success. Growth always happens in stages. There is a natural process to growth. When we see children growing, we can understand this process. First, the child learns to crawl, then to stand and walk, and finally to run. The same is true in nature. Nature. The soil must first be prepared, then the seed is sown. Next, it must get enough water and sunlight. Only then will it grow, give fruit, and finally ripen. Gandhiji understood this natural process and used it for his benefit. Gandhiji grew little by little in his daily life. He did not wake up one day and become the Mahatma. In fact, nothing in his early life showed signs of greatness. Signs of greatness. But from his mid-twenties onwards, he tried to change himself, improve himself, and grow a little every day. Day by day, hour by hour, he risked failure, experimented, and learned from mistakes. In both small and big situations, he accepted responsibility instead of avoiding it. Instead of avoiding it. People have always admired the easy way in which Gandhiji did difficult tasks. He showed a lot of self-control and discipline, which was amazing. These did not come easily to him. Years of practice and disciplined training helped him succeed. Few people saw his struggles, fears, and doubts, and inner efforts. They only saw his victory, and not his struggle. This is common in the lives of all great people. They used their choices in small ways that had a big impact on their lives and surroundings. Each small decision and action added up to make a huge difference. By understanding this principle, we can move forward with confidence towards our towards our dreams. Often, often when our goal, ideal goal seems far away, we feel discouraged or pessimistic. But when we grow a little every day, taking small steps, it becomes easier. easier. आप इसको दोबारा से अपने आप पढ़ सकते हो। और अब हम विदाउट द यूजेज ऑफ हिंदी एक बार पूरा आर्टिकल पढ़ेंगे, स्लो रीडिंग करेंगे, आप भी साथ साथ पढ़ सकते हो बिकॉज इट इज अ रीडिंग प्रैक्टिस वीडियो। स्मॉल स्टेप्स make a big difference. Many of us believe that small means insignificant. We believe that small actions and choices do not have much impact on our lives. We think that it is only the big things, the big actions, and the big decisions that really count. But when you look at the lives of all great people, you will see that they built their character through small decisions, small choices, and small actions that they performed every day. They transformed their lives through a step by step or day by day approach. They nurtured and nourished their good habits and chipped away at their bad habits, one step at a time. It was their small day to day decisions that added up to make a tremendous difference in the long run. tremendous difference in the long run. Indeed, in matters of personal growth and character building, there is no such thing as overnight success. Growth always occurs through a sequential series of stages. There is an organic process to growth. When we look at children growing up, we can see this process at work. The child first learns to crawl, then to stand and walk, and finally to run. The same is true in the natural world. The soil must first be tilled, and then the seed must be sowed. Next, it must be nurtured, nurtured with enough water and sunlight, and only then will it grow, bear fruit, and finally ripen and be ready to eat. Gandhiji understood this organic process and used this universal law of nature to his benefit. Gandhiji grew in small ways in his day to day affairs. He did not wake up one day and find himself to be the Mahatma. In fact, there was nothing much in his early life that showed signs of greatness. But from his mid 20s onwards, he deliberately, deliberately and consistently, consistently attempted to change himself, reform himself, and grow in some small way every day. Day by day, hour by hour, he risked failure, experimented, and learned from mistakes. In small and large situations alike, he took up rather than avoiding responsibility. People have always marveled at the effortless way in which Gandhi could accomplish the most difficult tasks. He displayed a great deal of self mastery and discipline that was amazing. These things did not come easily to him. Years of practice and disciplined training went into making his successes possible. Very few saw his struggles, fears, doubts, and anxieties, or his inner efforts to overcome them. They saw the victory, but not the struggle. This is a common factor in the lives of all great people. They exercised their freedoms and choices in small ways that made great impact on their lives and their environment. Each of their small decisions and actions added up to have a profound impact profound impact in the long run. By understanding this principle, we can move forward with confidence in the direction of our dreams. Often, when our ideal goal looks too far from us, we become easily disheartened, disheartened, and pessimistic. Pessimistic. However, when we choose to grow in small ways, taking small steps one at a time, performing it becomes easy. ये था हमारा आज रीडिंग प्रैक्टिस का वीडियो। आप कमेंट्स लिखकर बता सकते हो कि आपको इस तरीके के वीडियोस आगे भी चाहिए, कि आपको सेम वर्ड टू वर्ड एक्सप्लेनेशन वाले वीडियोस चाहिए। तो जैसे आप बताओगे, आने वाले वीडियोस में वो वाले चेंजेस आपको मिलेंगे। और आज का वीडियो अगर आपके लिए ज़रा भी हेल्पफुल रहा है, प्लीज़ डोंट फॉरगेट टू लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब फ्रेंड्स। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग। मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में।